Here we are again then, boys. I'm basically about 9 kilometers away from civilization. But there's no point in me trying to tell you by pointing at the map, because according to Maps ME, none of this exists. None of it. Absolutely weird as hell. It does exist on Google, but it hasn't got any names or anything. But you can see the pretty temple over there, and it is quite pretty actually for somewhere that don't exist. So we're togged up. The Honda is dead because the fork bushes are shot out on it. So I've brought along the Katoom. I've not actually ridden the Katoom in anger yet. I've been trying to keep it looking pretty since I did the makeover on it, but no one seems to want to buy it. They all seem to want to get pictures of it sent to them on Facebook so that they can look at the pretty pictures, but no one has any intentions of paying for it. I think this situation thing is making a few people worried, but for the most part, the people here who it doesn't affect and will never affect have just gone into double down tightwad mode. Tightwad, even. Oh, excuse me while I just throw my bag over your faces. So yes, the Katoom is going to get a thrash. So what actually happened here was I was supposed to be doing an enduro last week. Unfortunately for me, the bike spat a fork seal out the day before, and the parts didn't arrive in time. Well, the parts arrived on the Sunday morning, and last night I went to put the new seals in because it's only 20 minutes aside, and I started making a video. But I noticed there was some enormous damage, sort of sand damage, all down the fork legs. And where's my stand gone? Where's my gasoline? Yeah, the fork bushes, which are Teflon coated copper, were absolutely torn to shreds. So much so that if I put them back in, they would have just torn up the new fork leg. Well, the sanded down fork leg again. So that was the end of last night, and this is the start of today. Come on, Katoom, show us what you can do. So he needs to warm up. While he's warming up, I'm going to go and have a look at that little lake over there. Oh, what a little beauty. Look at that, people. I could launch in there as well, look at it. Oh dear, dear, dear. I could launch in that. Water's clean as well. So anyway, the reason I'm here is because I saw the enduro signs they've left out on the course. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off at one enduro sign, and we're going to ride from sign to sign until I get lost. So the first lot was down here at the temple. Wherever that was, I've lost it. I've lost myself. I think, no, it was in there, look. Right where the enduro sign is. Just kind of went this way. but I've lost the signs already. Did it go right or left? I don't know, the ground's pretty dry, I can't see any